I am back! Yay! I was actually gonna try to like come in like this. But you know, it didn't work out. Hello, how are you? Okay. So today we're gonna try to make some, I make this all the time. We're going to make tuna macaroni salad. It's one of our favorites. And it probably goes to, I would say 75% of cookouts and family get-togethers that we go to. But anyway, for this one though, something I don't normally do, I'm going to put in some frozen peas. I've seen other people doing this. They put in a lot more than I'm going to put in. But I guess that's all up to you, you know. Somebody put in sweet relish, celery, what else? Oh my, they had a whole bunch of stuff going in. But we've never eaten it like that, so I am going to try it with the peas in it because that just sounds good. But anyway, so we have to have elbow macaroni. I got 3 cans of tuna, wild caught in water. Yes, wild caught. I have mayo, and I have Great Value Ranch. Now, buttermilk ranch. Not all buttermilk ranch is created equal, and it would probably be even better if I made my own, but we're using Great Value this time. Well, most of the time, because it's got the best flavor. Okay, so also we're going to put in a red onion, and we are going to put in 5 boiled eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and get my eggs and my macaroni started, and then I'll come back after they're ready and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've got my macaroni here. It's already cooked and I rinsed it. You want it cool when you're doing this. So now we'll start putting things in. Let me first of all, let me chop up this onion. I'm going to chop it kind of fine because I think it just flavors the stuff better. And I used a whole box of macaroni, a pound. And one, like, I don't know, medium red onion here. I don't know if I'll put it all in. We get heartburn so bad around here, we can't really eat a lot of onions. And I love onions. Onions are one of my favorite things. Okay, let's see what we got here. Those in there. A lot of people put, I think I told you already, a lot of stuff in these. But like I said, we've never eaten it like that before, so. My sister's here and her puppies, her fur babies. And they're being really quiet right now, and I'm really surprised.
Hello.
She said hello.
I'm watching mini cows.
She's got a thing for mini cows. So I bought her several mini cow things. Not bought really, I bought one. Then I sent her pictures of mini cows that she could print off. It looks really cute. They are so adorable. Okay, there's our onion. Okay, let's put some pepper. Now I'm telling you, this stuff has to have pepper. Pepper just makes it, and I'll probably put more in it after. And that was about a teaspoon right there. Maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon. And this is probably, I don't know, half. Probably put more of that in there too. Just do it to taste, you know. So now I iced my eggs. So I'm going to crack them and put them in. The pepper gets me every time, y'all. I can feel my nose starting to run. It gets me. Probably because I stand right over it. Oh, this babe just did not peel very pretty at all. Usually putting ice on them works, but not this time. Good because I didn't break it up good enough. Okay. No shelled ones. I said 5 eggs earlier, but I went ahead and, since I was doing the whole pound of macaroni, I went ahead and put 6 in it. I was going to just do like a half a pound or 3/4 of a pound. But I'm going to send some home with my see-through.
Yay, me.
Yeah, she came in with the dogs, and I was in the middle of a video. She stopped dead in her tracks like, oh. I was like, it's okay. They're being good. Now when they first get here, it's chaos. It's so funny. Because them, Hannah and Izzy, they go crazy when they first get here. They're having a blast. They're playing, tearing stuff up, chasing each other. Okay, there's that. Now then, let me get rid of the shells. Okay. So now we're going to put in, this is a cup of mayo, and I use mayo. I mean, that is entirely up to you. Some people just don't like mayo. But then I also use, I'm just putting in like a little over half a cup of buttermilk dressing. And like I said, most of these dressings don't taste like Walmart's. I like Walmart's. I don't know why. So, oh, you know what? I forgot I made a whole pack, so I'm going to have to put more mayonnaise in. So let's do, yeah, let's do another cup. And I'm making a mess. Most people don't use the dressing in just probably just me. Me and my mother-in-law, when she was alive, we found out that we liked that extra little bit of tanginess. So we started putting it in there, and that's how we made it from then on. It's probably not going to be a very long video, guys. It's not hard to make. You just throw it together. Okay, now let me get this. I'll probably put a little bit more of the buttermilk dressing in it too. Let me open these cans of tuna. Fast forward, fast forward, fast forward, fast forward, fast forward. Okay, I drained 2 cans of it, but the last can I'm leaving it in there. Leaving that water, sorry. I drained the water out of 2 cans. 2 cans. That's funny. Get out of there. I don't know about you guys, I always rinse my tuna cans because I can't stand the thought of that smell in my trash can. I mean, you know, the smell smells good right now. I said a little more dressing, didn't I? I'll taste it first. Okay, also, I said the peas. And I put these peas in warm water, just enough to get them thawed. Peas running around on the table. Didn't sound good, did it? Okay, now this is the big test because I've never eaten it with peas in it before. We'll make some adjustments as soon as I taste it here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Wow, I don't think it needs anything. Honey, are you coming here to taste test? Are you going to come taste test?
What's everybody else going to eat? Oh man, that's awesome.
Okay, you like the peas in it? Pretty good, with the peas. Okay.
I think I might eat another bite.
You might need another bite? Well, here, we can do that. See, I told you, it's a favorite in this house. So anyway, there it is. Okay, guys, give that a try. This is really, really delicious. It can easily be a favorite. Anyway, give it a try. Let me know how you did. Put comments down there. Like, subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And share. Share. That always helps. Anyway, I love you. I'll see you next time.